MLA of Aldana constituency, Sri Glenn Tiklo.
Good morning, young boys and some girls also. Yeah. So, we have amongst us our beloved Honorable MLA Sir Glenn Tiklo to grace this occasion. And today we actually, sir, we have clubbed many events together. Because of COVID, many of our events could not take place on the scheduled time. So today we have found an occasion, and this cyclothon is for marking the significance of 4-5 events, five to be precise. World Heart Day, then World Child Day,
Road Safety Week also. Road Safety Week.
Road Safety Week, and TB, tuberculosis. Yeah, and most important event is achievement of 100 crore COVID vaccinations by our country. Maybe when the vaccination program started, the world must have ridiculed and must have thought what India is going to achieve, and what this impossible task has been made possible, and all of us are to be congratulated for this achievement. So this is a very important milestone, and because of this, the so-called third wave is also looks like it is we have managed to avoid it, at least for time being. And if we complete this the second dose of vaccination for everybody, then maybe we can say that we are safe now. So I won't take much time. I'll request Dr. Gaurish to proceed further.
Thank you very much, madam. I would now like to request Glenn sir to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning, one and all. Today we all gathered here at PSC Aldona. If there's Dr. Pridham, like health officer, along with our full medical officers and all the staff and gathered here. In fact, as doctor said, in fact, this PSC under Dr. Pritham, health officer, who has been very, very dynamic and always had a lot of activities, a lot of events with a full team. I must first congratulate her for having this and creating this awareness. Today, I must congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister for almost completing almost 1 billion vaccines, 100 crores in our country, which is for great, remarkable figure, which I think no country must have thought that India could ever do this. And because of that, today we are almost, you can say, almost good as safe. But at the same time, we have to be very, very careful and maintain the SOPs. Along with that, today we'll be moving from here after the flag off to Kalmi and then to Pumukpa Spring. So along with the cleanliness drive also, we have already been organized one of the events. Also awareness International Girl Child Day, which I think was pending for some time. Along with that, we have World Heart Day, and also regarding TB awareness of
Road Safety Week is going on.
Yeah, and also TB, and also at the moment Road Safety Week is going on. So my dear boys and girls, when you're moving from here to Kalmi, just maintain one line. Don't take the full road occupied. Be careful, and let us showcase this to the other conferences that they have taken the initiative under Dr. Pritham, PSC, the health officer, and all the medical officers. And let us Aldona conference be an example to all the other conferences in Goa. Thank you. Take care and be safe.
I would now like to request all the participants to kindly take their cycles. Kindly be ready with the position. I would request Glenn sir and madam here. Dr. Abhi, Dr. Dana, Dr. Amit, and जसे मॅडमीन सांगल्याने जसे MLA सांगले, no one thought that India would ever achieve this 100 crore vaccine doses within this short period of time. येदो व्हडलो प्रदेश, वाळवंट, दर्या, नदी सगळे पार करून हेल्थ स्टाफ 100 कोटी डोसेस दिवपाक पावले. आणि तोच दीस मार्क करपा खातीर we will release this balloons into the air to mark this great achievement of our country. I would like to request all the participants to take their cycles, and I would like to request Madam, Honorable MLA, our doctor and our extension educator to kindly release the balloons into the air with a round of applause followed by it. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
A brief message for the cycle rally. First, we will go from here directly to the Calvi Bridge. From that, we'll be back to Kongopa Spring. There will be a cleanliness drive there, and then back to the PSC. Okay. I would now like to request our Honorable MLA, in the presence of our health officer, to kindly flag off this cycle rally.